This is going to be a video of me unboxing and testing this Prosafe smoke alarm. 10-year sealed battery. You must never replace the batteries, and it's got a flashing alarm indicator. Yeah. So here's the front of the box. And then there's one side. Some smoke there. And then the back. Barcode. Power source 3 volts. CL13A battery operated. Flash alarm indicator red. What does it say there? Alarm decibel, 85 decibels. Solid connections and battery included. Low battery signal and the test button. And the size is 1:1 by 44 millimeters in diameter for indoor use only. All right, so let's get this thing open. Yeah, I was going to buy a link. I was going to buy an interlinkable one, but I didn't because the box was already open and the box was in bad condition. I didn't want to, get done for. I just didn't want anything dodgy to happen. So yeah, there's the screws for it there as well, if in case you wanted to put it anywhere, like in the ceiling, for example. And yeah, come in this packaging, which I'll probably dispose. But again, I might keep it in this packaging. I'll probably put it back in this box and leave it unused. But yeah, here it is itself. Yeah, where's this said sealed battery then? I think as soon as I press this button, it's going to go off, I reckon. So yeah, here's the cover. Yeah, twist to tighten. That's only if you have a battery in it. And then twist to remove. And you mustn't paint it. And there's where the alarm comes. And then, yeah. Oh, it's got a switch on the back. Okay. I guess I just... How do I do it then? I don't know. Oh, I think I just turned it on. Didn't I? What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my ear defenders. But yeah, I've got my ear defenders on now, and I'm ready to hear what this thing sounds like. Never mind, maybe if I to do that. I don't get this thing. Maybe if I just do that. I don't know how this thing works. I don't know. I don't get it. I guess I'll have to look in the manual. Because yeah, I guess I'll have to read the manual, see what that says. So here it is, your manual. Yeah, so it's on if it's like that, I think, and then off if it's like that. I don't know. Is that right? I don't know. Well, yeah, I'll come back once I've figured out, once I've managed to get it to work. Okay guys, a few minutes later, I've actually got this thing to operate now. Yeah, so what I had to do is actually pull the switch forward so that it sits in that gap there. So yeah, so when I flicked it, it actually came right out. So this red thing can actually come out. So yeah, see, look, I've just made it come out again. So yeah, just try and see if you can just so I've made it come out again. I think the key for this is you've just got to install it into a ceiling or something. It's not really made for being off, but yeah, just see if you can make it sit in that gap without it falling over. There we are, got it in its place now. Yep, so I'm going to leave that like it is now because I don't want it to come out. See if I can put the base, I'm not sure. Because I know with some other smoke detectors I've had, you can just click it into the base without the thing in to see if I can get it to click in. Is that clicked on? I think so. Anyway, well, it's in operation now anyway. Yeah. I don't know what this red light, I don't know what this light means here. I don't know what this green light means here. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my deodorant in a second so I can actually try and set this off, because I'm wondering if this light here lights up when this is being set off, or, but actually I think that light might come on when the battery's dying, but it's a 10-year guarantee, so yeah, I'm now going to set it off if I can. See how sensitive it is. Oh, there we go. Quite sensitive, isn't it? Just putting my fingers over the alarm. Maybe this might shut it up. I'm not sure. There we go. I should have let it shut up completely on its own, but I helped it out a little bit. But there, at least it's been tested both ways, like pressing the button and also setting it off with deodorant in this case. But yeah, if you're using deodorant, I wouldn't go too close with it because you don't want to, get it all condensated, and it can actually mess up the well, it can like mess up the shape of the thing. It could make it feel all slimy and things, and that's not very nice. But yeah, I think this right LED comes on when the battery's dead or is about to die, because on here it says it's the battery should last for about 10 years. But yeah, but that's ages away, and I'll hopefully live for another 10 years anyway. So yeah, so one more push in test. Yeah, just got to hold it in longer and it'll beep longer, but it only beeps twice because I let go of the button quite quickly. But yeah, but anyway, this was just a video of me unboxing, testing this Prosafe smoke alarm. 10-year battery. Yeah, I bought this from Wilco, and this costed £12.99. So that was a good price for it, actually. And yeah, at least I was able to figure out how this thing worked. At least I was able to get this thing in operation. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next post.